So do you have a lot of great ideas that you do nothing with? Or you're able to start on a lot of different things, a lot of interests, but then after a week it fizzles out, right? So I'm gonna talk about some of the ways that I've been able to get motivated and then stay motivated for years. Hey, what's up? My name's Henry. Welcome to The Wong Mindset. So ever since I was a little kid, I was pretty strong-minded. I would bulldoze my way through everything. If I had an interest or a passion, I'm doing it. No one could stop me. No one could say anything to me. But that helped me to get a lot of things done. So I noticed a couple of things along the way that helped me to keep things going, right? To stay motivated for years. So the first thing is identify what is it that you even want, right? You gotta have something that's strong enough to keep you going. What is it? Write it down and then make sure that you visualize, right? You know this is what you want and you have to want it bad. Next thing is, what is your vision? So this is necessary to help guide you through all the ups and the downs, right? All the months and the years that you spend on this. So for me, my life vision is to take care of my family. So everything that I do, from real estate, stocks, my 9 to 5, everything that I do on a daily basis, and even YouTube, is something that aligns with that vision. It keeps me going for all the years that I'm gonna spend on all of this. Once you get this far, I really ask myself, is this something that I really want bad? It has to be something that you want so bad that you're dreaming about it at night, right? You wake up in the morning with ideas. If you're not willing to spend the time to read the books, watch the videos, podcasts, everything that you do have to, to study, to get to really know this stuff and be successful, then I say skip this one and then move on to the next thing that you do really want, right? Just focus on that. Don't get slowed down by all these other things that you really ask yourself, you don't even want that bad. So now you know you want it bad and you know you're willing to do what it takes. But this goal is so far out there, so crazy, it's wild. How are you ever gonna get there, right? It gets frustrating, it gets hard. How is it even possible, right? Instead of doubting yourself, it starts to get really tough in your head. For example, my 10-year goal is to have 20K net rental cash flow. How am I gonna get that? Basically, for me, it's gonna be 10 houses in San Francisco, each getting me 2K a month in cash flow. So off the bat, that sounds nuts. That sounds crazy. No one would even think that's possible. How are you gonna do that? That's crazy. But to me, I'm like, no, that's what I want. How am I gonna get it, right? I don't close my mind to just say that's impossible and stop there. No, I only think about how. How am I gonna achieve this? So you need to work your way back, right? Cut it up into little itty bitty chunks. For me, that's basically down to the first house, the first down payment, how to come up with that, the time frame that I want to put it in, and then what is it going to look like per month, per week within that time frame? How do I save up? And what is it going to take? What is the work that I need to put in, right? All the studying, all the research, all the people I have to call and figure out and do it. All the little things that it takes, I'm willing to do it. I've done it all. So then after that, get the first one, keep the momentum going. On to the next. What is the next step? The next house, right? What is it gonna take to get that? Only think about the next thing. Don't get caught up in your own head and just start thinking about all the other things and all the problems and all the things that are coming up. Just think about the next one. Keep that momentum going. Just on to the next. So overall, this is all in your head. Can you get past yourself? Can you come up with that goal that you really want? Have a vision, have a time frame, break it into chunks, and then take one step at a time. Keep that momentum going. Always think about that next step to achieving that goal. And don't be distracted by everything else that comes up. And that's how I've been able to stay motivated, get motivated, and then keep things going for years at a time. That's how I do it. So hopefully that was helpful to you and you can take some of these ideas and apply it to your own life. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.